Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy a tablet in Flipkart Big Billion Day sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale, this video is going to help you. In this video, I will talk about the latest prices of some of the tablets that you can buy from Flipkart during the festive season. The first tablet that will be very attractive is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. You can buy this tablet at 14,499 rupees. Actually, it comes with 11 inches display, 2K display resolution and 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage along with 5G capability. So this tablet will be very good for multimedia consumption, but one thing you must remember that it doesn't come with S Pen support, so you will have no writing experience on this tablet. This tablet will be good for multimedia consumption and little bit of gaming. The next tablet that you can buy is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus Wi-Fi version. It will be available at 25,000 rupees using HDFC credit card. However, I think the price is little bit on the higher side. I have made many videos on the good things and bad things and also the note-taking capabilities of this tablet. So if you want to watch those videos, links are in the descriptions below. The next tablet that you can buy is iPad 9th generation 64 GB version. It will be available at 17,999 rupees. It comes with A13 Bionic chipset. However, it is 4 years old device, so I will suggest you to buy iPad 10th generation instead of buying iPad 9th generation. However, if you have a tight budget of 18,000 rupees, in that case you can buy iPad 9th generation. The next important tablet that you can buy is Oneplus Pad 12 GB version with 256 GB of internal storage Wi-Fi variant. It will be available under rupees 23,000 rupees. However, it is showing 24,000 rupees, but I think the price will come down and you can buy this tablet at 22,999. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy S9 128 GB version, then you can get that tablet at 48,000 rupees. It has 11-inch display with 8400 mAh battery, and if you want to buy Tab S9 Plus 12 GB RAM with 256 GB internal storage Wi-Fi variant, then you can buy that tablet at 57,000 rupees. This is a very good deal. I think it has a very good display and the 12.4 inches display and 10,000 mAh battery will give you a very good experience. You will have great multimedia as well as note-taking experience on this Tab S9 Plus. Now, if you want to buy an Android tablet with flagship level hardware, in that case you can buy MI Pad 6. It will be available under 18,000 rupees. This is one of the best deals in this season. However, one thing you must remember that you should not bother about the updates with this tablet because you will not get more updates with this tablet. So if you don't care about the update, then it will be a very good tablet for you. You can do all your tasks on this tablet, plus it has support for pen, so you can have a writing experience too on this tablet. If you want to buy Oneplus Pad 2, in that case you have to pay around 36,000 rupees. However, I think the price will definitely come down much lower than this when the deal will be alive tomorrow. Now, if you want to buy Redmi Pad Pro, in that case you will get this tablet under rupees 20,000. But I think it will be available at 18,000 when the deal will come alive. So let's wait for the final pricing of this tablet. The next tablet that you can buy is iPad Air 5th generation with 64 GB of internal storage. This tablet will be available at 42,000 rupees using SBI credit card, and if you want to buy the 256 GB version, in that case you have to pay around 50,000 rupees. I think the 256GB version will be much more sensible product because in iPad 64GB is very less and you will soon end up getting lots of problems with 64GB of internal storage. However, one tablet is missing from this deal and that is iPad 10th generation. I think the price of this tablet will be available when the deal will come alive on 26th of September and you can buy iPad 10th generation at 23 to 25,000 rupees using HDFC credit card on flipkart.com, and if you want to buy this tablet from amazon.in that case you have to use SBI credit card or debit card to get the best discount. I think iPad 10th generation is a great device to use. It has all the features plus it has a 14 Bionic chipset which will definitely benefit you in all the aspects, whether be it display, be it processor, gaming or video editing or any other field. Plus note-taking experience on this tablet is also very good. However, you have to buy the iPencil separately on this tablet, but overall I think it will be a value for money product if you buy this tablet in 2024 also. Actually, I have made many videos on iPad 10th generation and after latest iPad OS 18 many new features have been added with this tablet. So if you are interested to watch those videos, links are in the descriptions below. But this tablet will be a problem if you buy the 64GB version because with 64GB of internal storage you have to delete things regularly. I have bought the iCloud storage of 50GB, but the problem is that whenever you want something offline you will not get that. You have to download it from the iCloud storage. So if you don't have a stable Wi-Fi connection, in that case you may face problem while storing anything or while getting something for your use. Plus it has Type-C pen drive support and you can use Type-C pen drive to store your data or your videos and images. So these are the deals that you can get on Big Billion Days sale. Hope this video has become helpful to you. If you find this video informative, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family members and subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you do not miss any video I upload about the latest deals and offers on tablets and smartphones. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.